Echo Resources is an ASX-listed gold exploration and development company who has commenced an aggressive exploration program across their holdings in the highly prospective Yandal greenstone belt in Western Australia. Echo is also the owner of the Bronzewing camp, which includes a 2 million tonne per annum processing facility, which will allow for a significant reduction in capital expenditure when a decision to commence production is made in the future. And after completing a detailed assessment of the company, we have valued Echo at 34 cents per share. As part of this valuation, we completed a range of scenarios to test both the robustness of the project as well as highlight the upside potential. A PDF version of our valuation and financial forecasts is available at the Sophisticated Investor website. Echo consolidated more than 1,600 square kilometres of the Yandal greenstone belt in late 2016 through the takeover of Metallico Resources. This transaction resulted in the company increasing their resource to just under 1 million ounces of gold. However, more importantly, saw the company acquire the Bronzewing processing facility and associated infrastructure that would typically cost in excess of $100 million to develop. Echo has estimated this existing infrastructure reduces the capital cost to around $12 million to refurbish the facility for production to recommence in the future. However, recent history has shown that reviving historical gold operations can be difficult, with a common issue relating to failed restarts being repeating the same mistakes as the previous owner, whilst also having an insufficient mine life for a sustainable and profitable operation. Echo does not look destined to fall into this trap, as they have identified the major historical issue at Bronzewing was low head grade, which resulted in insufficient gold production. This has seen the company only target open pittable ore that has grade in excess of 2 grams per tonne, whilst the company has also stated they will not commence production until they have defined reserves sufficient for a sustainable, ongoing and profitable operation. Key to ensuring these targets are achieved is a strong ongoing exploration program, which the company has outlined through a 3-pronged strategy. The first part of this strategy is to expand the reserve and resource at the more advanced deposits where drilling is already underway. The results to date have been impressive, particularly at the Orelia deposit, with numerous high-grade intercepts, including 49 metres at nearly 10 grams per tonne. Secondly, the company will test known gold mineralised regions that have received little historical exploration work in the past 15 years, with nearly no drilling below 70 metres. Central to this strategy is the Empire District, where drilling recently commenced, whilst the final part of this exploration strategy is to test conceptual exploration targets throughout the company's vast exploration portfolio. But as with all companies at this stage of development, additional funds will be required at some point in the future. This, however, could give Echo the opportunity to introduce institutional investors to the register that have numerous long-term advantages. For full details on our complete report, which includes our valuation analysis, a detailed investment and risk assessment of the company, a virtual site trip to the Bronzewing project, where we take a closer look at the project's location, existing deposits, as well as the Bronzewing processing facility and associated infrastructure, and an in-depth review of the company's 3-pronged exploration strategy, please visit thesophisticatedinvestor.com.au.